Hi guys, hope you're good. Roger Snipes here. I just wanted to give a shout out really to Clearlight Infrared Sauna. Now, as many of you might know, I'm a massive fan of health and fitness. I've been in fitness for over 27 years now, and it started off with me sprinting and then slowly progressing over to bodybuilding. But I've been primarily interested in just investing in the body, whether it was through training or nutrition or finding out other scientific type of ways in which I could improve my health. I've done loads of things over the years, and one of them was going to a traditional dry sauna. And I came across just the concept of an infrared sauna. And when I looked into it, it sounded fascinating. And I experienced using a Clearlight Infrared Sauna. And after that, I thought this is the way forward. Invested in one for myself, and I've never looked back. It's one of the best things I've ever invested in. I use the sauna probably at least 3 times a week. I think the first time I got it, I was using it every day. Every day, sitting in there for an hour and obviously having to replace my salts and stuff. But it is truly incredible. I feel extremely energetic every day, and I feel clear, you know, my mind is clear, I feel strong. And I know that even if I eat certain types of foods, I can clear it out by using my Clearlight. Just one of the best things I've ever done, to be honest with you. I do this religiously at least 3 times a week. Normally in the evening when I'm ready to relax, and I wake up feeling totally refreshed and energetic. So anyone who is looking for a sauna, I would suggest an infrared, but more specifically a Clearlight Infrared Sauna. Truly remarkable sauna and life-changing. Definitely check it out.